I'm Patrick Reaver, president of TCI Manufacturing, located in Walnut, Illinois. We're here at ConExpo displaying for our first time ever. We're really trying to showcase what all TCI does outside of just conveyors. We're typically known for conveyors and high-frequency screens, but we're also displaying some of our capability as far as stationary structures, and we debuted our all-new Lincoln series of horizontal shaft impact crushers here. TCI started building impact crushers in 2016. Some of those earlier models had a manual adjust, open rotors. This crusher that we're featuring here is much more user-friendly. It's meant for the customer, meant for being customer-focused. We listen to customers, what do they like, what do they not like, and we try to put it into some of the features of this unit. So we've got hydraulic adjust on the aprons, we've got a solid rotor that's very robust, has a lot of integrity, solid. We have a straight cut shaft, so that means the bearings are a standard off-the-shelf item. Very easy to service in the field. We also are displaying some of our capability as far as custom structures, custom conveyors. We're displaying a model, which has been really fun for people. People have liked coming over and looking at that model. We've had a video going right behind it showing the real thing in real life, which has been great. Being able to show somebody, we really want to take our customers' concepts all the way to reality. So we were able to showcase how we started that off with Lego sets and bar napkins, and we turned that into an actual living product that breathes. And then really talk about our back-end support, our aftermarket service and parts, and how it is that we're going to help our customers continue to grow and make money, right? If they grow, we grow. And so a lot of what we're trying to showcase here is TCI's growth, right? We've grown so much in the past 20 years, and our customers are the reason why, right? Without our customers, we don't have the growth. And so it's really just that evolution of talking to those guys about the opportunities they have and how TCI can be a part of that, right? We just want to help our customers grow and be a part of that solution. We're also showing our Falcon, which is our first extendable conveyor. So the Falcon, in our case, is a 36 by 150 extendable conveyor, and that's the first size of extendable we've offered. And we're really excited about that product line as well. Big things coming out of TCI. People, of course, come and want to talk to us about high-frequency screens because we've been doing it forever. Conveyors as well. But we like talking about some of the new products, the crushers, the bigger conveyors, a lot of the custom solutions.